Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. This is a template preview, and I did the M&ms pack, the one that is normally $1. I did this one because I was recently asked if this label was the same size as the one that I just did, which I believe it was the Milk Duds. Yeah, two different size labels. Yeah, so the measurements for this will be on my Patreon page. I left the back of it blank just to give you guys the size. So this is for the 3.10 ounces. Yeah, that's the size of it. That's what it looks like. I did Halloween theme, of course, because hey, it's coming up, and these would be great to pass out for classrooms. Look at that, cute. Cute, simple, and of course you can put this same label right there on the back. So if you don't want to have the nutrition facts showing, that's fine. You don't have to. You can put this on the front and the back, or create your own nutrition facts to make it even more unique. But if you have any more questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.